Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the features of the OMOTON Premium Bluetooth Keyboard and Mouse Combo, designed specifically for Mac users who crave both style and functionality. This combo boasts an ergonomic and quiet full-size design, complete with a convenient number pad, making it perfect for those long work sessions or late-night creative projects. Compatible with MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Mini, and even PCs, this sleek light white set seamlessly integrates with your devices, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. The keyboard's responsive keys and the mouse's precision tracking offer a comfortable and reliable user experience, ideal for both professional and personal use. Whether you're typing up reports, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, this combo delivers the performance you need without compromising on style. So, if you're looking to enhance your workspace with a touch of elegance and practicality, the OMOTON Premium Bluetooth Keyboard and Mouse Combo might just be the perfect addition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.